I am an alien. This, of course, isn't news to anyone. If you follow my sharings online, you know that I had a very difficult time becoming human. I spent most of my life inside a bubble, traveling in my mental spaceship, searching for a place that truly felt like home. I wanted nothing to do with the material world and people. I wanted nothing to do with the body and all that makes me human. But you know what the only thing that brought me joy was? Nature. Trees. Rocks. Sunshine. Stars. The moon. Animals. People, relationships, society, money, all gave me lots of anxiety. I grew up seeing people struggle and suffer because of these human things, and it made me feel very resentful. In 2019, I decided to treat this resentment and rejection of my humanity in the material world by disconnecting from everything fully. The only way for me to create a new belief system that was free of distortions was to start fresh. I couldn't keep energizing distorted thoughts and patterns. I left everything I knew behind. Economic stability with a good job, and I chose healing. For once, I put myself first. And this was the beginning of the darkest night of the soul. This time I couldn't jump on my spaceship to escape like I would usually do. I couldn't blame others or the world. I had to face myself. During this time, to make the process of feeling easier, I became one with nature. I learned to feel the earth. I began to consciously exchange energy with her in a way that provided relief for the both of us. She taught me about the true nature of life and humanity. From the tree spirits, I learned that humans are not evil, just afraid. From the rock collective, I learned that silence and stillness are just as expansive for the soul as movement. From the fairies, I learned to enjoy the magic of each moment. I learned to pause, to admire the beauty in all things, and to see the beauty in all things as a reflection of my own goodness. From the animal kingdom, I learned that every living being has its place, and a very important one, in God's creation. The sun's beautiful rays gave me life and direction. The moon's gentle presence in our sky taught me that I too have phases, and that it's okay to be and feel everything. Earth taught me unity and connection. In the forest and ocean, I felt one with everything. One with God, one with the people, one with myself, one with the universe and everything that lies beyond. And now I get to enjoy my humanity. I no longer have to escape to feel some sort of relief, I can just close my eyes and feel the interconnectedness of all through the synchronized heartbeat of the mother and I. And this is for you, Starseed. I understand the discomfort. I feel you and the longing for that safe space that truly feels like home. I see you and I feel you, and I know you. I recognize you. But we came here to enjoy life, to learn and to keep growing. And I can only speak, of course, from personal experience. But something that I have learned about myself is that, and I've shared this in a previous episode, but I was very happy in the Pleiades. I was very, very, very comfortable. And I was actually there because I was healing trauma that originated somewhere else. I actually have a feeling that I was involved in something that happened on this planet. I'm not really sure what it is, but I do have memories of being in Atlantis and being a little bit involved in Lemuria. So I'm not really sure. But I do know that there was trauma and a lot of hurt, a lot of discomfort. And so I needed a safe space for me to heal and to feel. And as I was in the Pleiades, I became very comfortable. And I did feel better. I was able to heal. I was able to enjoy the beauty of the crystalline body of the planet that I was in, of the people that I was with. And it was amazing. It was heaven. But I lost a big part of me. I am a wanderer, a cosmic traveler. I am someone that enjoys to explore all things, to explore all dimensions. And during my stay in the Pleiades, I didn't do that. I didn't allow myself to explore anything because I was afraid of making the same mistakes that I made in the past. And so the only way for me to get out of that comfort zone was to join life in a 3-dimensional planet. A planet that gives us free will. Yes, there's programming, there's a matrix that keeps us brainwashed and controlled. But if you are able to push through the control and through the manipulations, you are able to have a say and to have your own belief system and to create whatever it is that you want to create. And so I came to this earth to find my true self, to find my true nature, which is to be a cosmic traveler, a being that just travels and explores all dimensions and all experiences, all life. I feel that in a way, that is a very close interpretation of what source energy is or what God is. God is this magnificent force that at the beginning of time expanded and created these billions and billions of souls or consciousnesses because it wanted to explore itself and its creation. And I feel that that was the true nature of my soul, of my spirit. And I needed to go back to that version of myself. Being here on earth and feeling all the discomfort, the density, it allowed me to feel everything that for some reason in the Pleiades I was not able to feel. And I think that being here for you is such a great opportunity to expand and to reconnect with lost aspects of yourself. Being here in this planet gives us the opportunity to bring every single aspect of us back into the 0 point, which is this human form. And I truly believe that once we leave this plane or this planet, we are entering this whole new version of ourselves. I think for a lot of us, we're not going back to me, for example, to the Pleiades. I truly feel that I am going higher to other dimensions. I am ready to explore more. And I learned all of this and feel this way because of my connection to the planet, my connection to humanity and to the universe. So definitely enjoy the process, my friend, and love everything. Feel everything. It is through feeling that you are able to understand the whys and the hows. It just makes sense.